Hello, I'm Willa and my channel is Willa at Home. Thanks for joining me today to hear of a great work from home opportunity. The Healthy Back Institute is hiring for virtual agents to work from home. This main headquarters is in Austin, Texas. This particular job is based in HBI's Atlanta, Georgia location. It is a part-time, mid-level position. The starting salary is $13 per hour with tons of potential for growth. The work hours will be discussed during the interview session. Background: The Healthy Back Institute is a health and wellness direct marketing and e-commerce platform helping people, millions of people, literally all over the world live without pain, naturally and safely. When you work with HBI, you are valued and inspired to learn, to teach and to grow. The virtual call center customer service representatives are a very important part of their team. You will be the eyes and ears for their team, fielding customer inquiries and authentically connecting to their customers to help them in the best way possible. This role may handle a high volume of inbound or outbound calls or both, support customers through chat, phone and email. You will create a positive experience for each caller by providing a consultative, accurate and efficient response to their inquiries, and this is all from your home office. Requirements: You will need to type at least 35 words per minute. Qualifications: Minimum 3 years customer service experience. 1 year experience working in a contact call center, preferably virtual. Strong computer and telephone multitasking skills. Experience supporting customers through chat, email and phone. You must favorably pass a background and reference check. Bilingual is a plus. You should be able to work some Saturday shifts. Must have the ability to travel by plane one time annually once the pandemic is over. As they are fully remote, they strive to connect via technology of all kinds, chat, email. And they do have video meetings as often as possible. So you must attend interviews and future meetings via video. Computer requirements: high-speed internet, headset, internet router or modem and a working webcam. If you meet most, if not all, of the criteria above and this sounds like a great fit for you, HBI would love to hear from you. I will leave the link to this position in the comment section of this video. Feel free to read more details and apply if you like what you have heard. If this is the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. Then click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities. Before leaving, click the thumbs up to like this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.